Supervolcanoes are volcanoes capable of producing eruptions much larger and more catastrophic than those of typical volcanoes. These eruptions are characterized by the ejection of enormous volumes of volcanic material, including ash, pumice, and volcanic gases, into the atmosphere. Supervolcanoes are considered one of the most extreme and rare geological events on Earth. Here are some key features and characteristics of supervolcanoes. Number 1. Magnitude of eruptions. Supervolcano eruptions are on a scale far beyond that of typical volcanic eruptions. They can release thousands to hundreds of thousands of times more material than a regular volcanic eruption. The Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI, which ranges from 0 to 8, is used to measure the size of volcanic eruptions. Supervolcano eruptions are classified as VEI 8 events, the highest category. Number 2. Calderas. Supervolcanoes often have large, circular depressions called calderas as their central feature. These calderas are the remnants of previous massive eruptions. Unlike traditional volcanic craters, calderas can be many kilometers in diameter. Number 3. Long repose periods. Supervolcanoes typically have long periods of dormancy between major eruptions. These periods can span tens of thousands to millions of years, making it challenging to predict when a super eruption might occur. Number 4. Global impact. Supervolcano eruptions have the potential to cause significant global impacts. The massive release of ash and gases into the atmosphere can lead to climate changes, such as a volcanic winter, where temperatures drop due to the blocking of sunlight. This can affect agriculture, ecosystems, and climate patterns around the world. Examples: there are several known supervolcanoes around the world. Some well-known examples include Yellowstone caldera in the United States. This is one of the most famous supervolcanoes and is located in Yellowstone National Park. Toba caldera in Indonesia. The Toba eruption, which occurred approximately 74,000 years ago, is one of the largest known eruptions in the last 2 million years. Taupo volcanic zone in New Zealand. This region has experienced several super eruptions over the past few 100,000 years. Monitoring and research. Scientists closely monitor supervolcanoes to better understand their behavior and potential hazards. Techniques such as seismology, geodesy, and geochemistry are used to detect signs of volcanic activity. Understanding these volcanoes is crucial for early warning and mitigation efforts. It's important to note that while supervolcanoes are extremely rare, they have the potential for catastrophic impacts, and their study is a critical component of volcanic hazard assessment and disaster preparedness. While no super eruption has occurred in recorded history, understanding their geological history and behavior is essential for minimizing risks to human populations in regions where supervolcanoes are located.